Good morning everyone, welcome back. It's Friday morning and I'm going for a walk. I was not gonna go for a walk because I have so many things that I had to do today, but I was like, no, I can't miss this weather. I had to go. So I'm just wearing, of course, just a comfortable clothes. It's about 60 right now, 60 degrees, so hopefully it's not gonna be like cold, but I'm just wearing the fleece in case if I need it. So let's go. There you go, guys, the goose is there. From last few days, every time I come here for a walk, this goose is always here. I'm not sure if you guys remember last year when I used to come, always goose used to be there here too. And that time actually my mom just passed away, so somebody also commented, you know, that they come in any kind of form to see their loved ones, to make sure they are okay and all that. And I'm not sure if this is the sign or it's just a coincidence. I'm not sure, guys, but again, as I mentioned, I've been coming here for a walk from last week, and every time I come, there are usually two of them here. I don't know where the other one is, but this one is here. After coming from long walk, I'm gonna go ahead and make the healthy nutrition smoothie for me. Anytime I make smoothie, I always add the liquid first. Usually I like to use the almond milk, but since I don't have that one today, I'm using the regular milk. Next, I will be adding the smoothie mixture, which I got it from Costco. Now this one has all kind of berries in there, as well as kale and spinach. But the key ingredients here is the cacao powder. Now this cacao powder was sent to me by a company called Pure Natural Miracle. Cacao powder has an antioxidant that can prevent any kind of skin damage. It is good for the heart, as well as it can reduce the inflammation. Of course, it gives you instant energy, so you can just add it in your coffee or you can add it in your smoothie the way I'm doing here. So Pure Natural Miracle Company randomly choose 2 people as the winner. For the one who did not win, you guys don't have to worry about it because you will still get the 15% off their product from Amazon. So I would highly recommend this powder. Take all the advantage of all the health benefits that cacao powder has to offer. I'm gonna have all the information down below in the description box. And again, thank you so much, Pure Natural Miracle, to send me this amazing product. So before going in before taking shower, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my smoothie as well as the view, because it's 65 today, cloudy weather, but it's very comfortable. And do try this cacao powder, especially if you have the young kids and you like to give them smoothie with all the healthy stuff in there, but they don't like the flavor, then you can always add a little bit of this cacao powder in there. It changed the flavor and it's chocolatey flavor, so who doesn't like that flavor, right? So do try it. I'm gonna have all the info down below in the description box. After I take a shower, I need to go to Ulta, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna buy, as well as I need to go and get some bird seed, because I've been out from a couple of days and now I see the birds everywhere. They are trying to tell me that give us our food. So I need to go and take care of that. Also, I need to cook because I'm leaving for Florida. So there's so many things needs to be done, but it's okay, we can do it. So this is what I was looking for, the It Cosmetic, the foundation, as well as this powder. They both are 50% off right now. So usually they are like $30. This one is $36. So it's about $15-17. So that's what I wanted, but they don't have my color. I usually get the medium, but now they do have the medium 10 that is like the perfect for my skin. but they don't have anything. So I guess I just have to order online. They don't have it in this one as well as that one, so I guess I'll just go ahead and order online. But that's the reason I came, because the Ulta has the 21 beauty days, like where selected items are on sale for 50% off and all that. Every single day they have something different. But this it cosmetic one, they had it for entire 21 days. So I was like, I'll just go ahead and get that because it's really nice. But unfortunately they don't have the color which I wanted, but that's okay. I'll just go ahead and order online. I also use the CC cream, and in CC cream I use the shade medium. This one has a SPF 50, so of course that's also good for you. And now they do have this one. Basically this one just give you like a healthy glow, but this one is really good, especially in the summertime also. So here I am working for next week dinner, and I want you guys to see my kitchen right now. As you can see, it is the big mess, but I do have the sabji going here. This is the aloo bangan sabji which I'm making. The Gujarati Thali is boiling. The bindi sabji is in the oven. Excuse my mess, guys, but by end of the day everything will be clear. I already made the cabbage sabji, so it's here. I do have the lauki, so I'm gonna make the lauki chana dal sabji, as well as I do have the green onion. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it, but that's about it. It's around 5 o'clock in the evening, and I'm working on it. So for tonight, we are ordering pizza for dinner, because since I'm making all this food, my husband said we'll just go ahead and order the pizza, so it will be easy for me. But I do have a question for you guys for this Prestige pressure cooker. This is something new that I guess nowadays India has it. It is the clip-on pressure cooker. I used it today for very first time, and somehow I did not hear any whistle. So is there a whistle that I supposed to hear, or just after, like, you know, like after 15-20 minutes you just turn it off? Because I was making dal in there and I'm so used to hearing whistle, so I didn't hear it for about 15 minutes, and I just didn't want this to blow up, so I turned it off. But leave the comments below, guys. If you have used this, let me know whether I should hear the whistle or not. Of course there is a whistle on top, so I guess it's supposed to work, but it didn't happen. So help me, leave the comments below, let me know. So these are the things I made it. I do have the lauki chana dal sabji, cabbage sabji, this is the green onion potato, as well as the bindi sabji, Gujarati dal is there. This is the potato eggplant sabji, and I do have the pigeon peas as well as the eggplant sabji. So these are the things I made it. And tomorrow I'll go ahead and make some rotis. Rice, they can always make it by themselves, but it's around 9 o'clock, and that's it. I'm done with everything. Now once all those things cool down, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the refrigerator. As you can see, my kitchen looks much better than before. I'm done with all the dishes. The dishwasher is running also. Those are the pizza boxes which I need to go ahead and throw it in the garbage. My dining table looks nice and clean, and that's about it. So this is it, guys. As you saw, everything is done. It's 9 o'clock, and I'm just gonna make chai or coffee now, sit on the sofa and relax. And thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys soon in my next one. Bye.